You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French tennis player name pronunciation. Let's break it down. In French in France, it is said as, for more names for tennis, make sure to stay tuned, we've got loads here. Arthur, that's how it's said in French. Arthur Cazaux, Cazaux, the X is silent. So in English, Arthur, or Arthur, if you wish, Arthur Cazaux, Arthur Cazaux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.